I'm back in the studio and I'm ready to go. I feel really good today. I slept really well yesterday and I finally feel like I'm getting more into the rhythm of this crazy challenge. I didn't think it was gonna be this intense. Like, I knew it was gonna be intense, but when you're doing it, it's another story. But today I feel more energized. So I think I would like to focus on one specific painting today. I have a general idea of what I want to do, but it's not fully formed. I'm just gonna let it happen. So I'm gonna focus this entire section on one painting. So the painting is done. It took a lot longer than I thought it would take. I wanted to do a session of one painting, but like kind of spontaneous, but I ended up getting caught up in details and perfect shapes, which is not what I wanted. Overall, I like some bits of it. Some things I'm not super sure about. I like the middle circle, like the egg, and the distressed effect that I was able to get with that. And there was one circle that it was kind of like a spiral kind of thing that I ended up taking off completely. I just didn't like it at all. And I ended up putting an irregular white line around the middle egg shape with oil pastel. I don't know that oil pastel is the right medium, so I'm just gonna live with it and see how it feels. If it doesn't gel in a couple days, I'm just gonna remove that line and use another medium, like maybe paint or something. So I like the different textures I was able to get. I'm not sure about the composition. It's one of those things where I think I have to let it sit and see if it gels or if things start bothering me more, and then I'll know where I want to go with it. Overall, it was a really good session, and I'll see you tomorrow.